Hey, what's up, people? Mr. B here. I just want to show you today how I removed a copyright claim for a background song that I put on my video tutorials, right? So I made a video basically on YouTube where I published, and then I received a copyright claim, and then I clicked on the claim summary and status, and I saw that, from the 850 to 9 something, there was this segment of song where I was not commenting and where the background song was playing, and then it said the video cannot be monetized because there was this problem in that segment. So let me show you basically. So okay, let me cancel that. So if you go here on copyright claim, right? So I made the tutorial on my capturing my screen desktop, showing you how to attract more visitors by embedding a YouTube video on your channel. And so I received this copyright claim, and I'm like, okay, what's going on? And I clicked on see the detail. You click on see the details, and then you see that content found during 850 to 941 second. And so the background thing comes from CD but Baby on behalf of Blue Dot Studio. Those are the copyright owners. So if I leave it this way, they are more likely going to make the money, and I am not going to, although this is I made the video, but so I'm ineligible right now. So here is how it goes. The video cannot be monetized. The ad revenue will be paid to copyright owner. What happens? So here is how you remove it, right? The problem is that I was making the video talking all from 0 to 980, and then something happened on my screen and I couldn't figure out, so I stopped talking and the song played only, and I was not commenting on it. So what I'm realizing is that even if you use a copyrighted song, the fact that you're commenting, you're talking as you're making the video, you have to talk all the time as the song is playing in the background. Otherwise, the parts that you're not talking, where you stop, you have to remove the background song, because if the song only plays and then it's copyrighted, then you're having a problem. How am I fixing this copyright claim problem? You come here and select action, right? What YouTube does is amazing. You have 3 options. You can trim out the segment, so you can remove that segment, but it doesn't make sense because it's important for the video. You can replace the song, right, with another song, but you have to make sure that other song is not also copyrighted. So what I'm realizing is that the best option is just to mute that song. Or you can dispute if you feel like you have the right to the content, you dispute, but you can mute the song and listen how it's like for now, right? See, now I stop. I stopped, and then the song is playing. I stopped and the song is playing. Now what's happening is that you can remove that background song, just the background song, but leave your voice. I don't know how YouTube does that, but they separate your voice from the background song. So if I click on mute the song, you can mute all sound where song plays, or you can mute the song only. This is the beta version. They'll say they remove the claimed song only, keeping the rest of the sound, so they're still testing that, which is pretty cool. I think it came at the best time. So I clicked on mute song only. If I click on preview muted video, and then it's updating the preview, I'm not sure you can hear the background song of the computer as I am playing the video on your thing, but I can hear that because I'm having headphones. So, but if I click on it, now it's going to be only my voice with the video, and so the background song is removed. So I don't know how YouTube, it's probably it's Google and YouTube, so they know how to do that, but I think it's pretty cool. And so when you do that, if you continue, then you see now it's just that's the song, and then here it's muted. It's only my voice. Yeah, the quality of my voice has reduced, but it's only my voice, right? And so You just click on continue. Probably it's going to remove. The process might take a while. If you're able to mute the copyright, the song will update it. Monetization restriction on your video. The video will remain in its current state until processing is complete. Mute. Boom. And you have removed the copyrighted stuff on your thing. What I'm realizing is you can have a background copyrighted song, but you need to talk continuously on the video as you're making the tutorial. And the places where you're not making that tutorial, where you're shutting up, you have to remove that background song, right? So it's very important, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. I am, I hope that helps. If it helps, leave a like, thumbs up, and I hope you can. I think the background songs are really engaging in the sense that if it's only your voice, sometimes it can be boring. But if you put a cheerful background song, that can be really engaging to your audience, and they can stay longer on your video. So if you feel like you've put a copyrighted background song on a YouTube video, this is how you can remove it. How I just did. And so it's processing the video. I'm not going to close this because I don't know how that is going to be like. Okay, I think it finished, but yeah. So let me just close. I think it's still processing. I'm not going to close it. Anyway, that's what I want to show you. I hope you're okay. Take care. Leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, share the video. And, this is all about helping you, making your life easier, sharing like business entrepreneurship, tips, tricks to make your life better, right? So take care. Bye.